A lot of times when business owners are trying to grow their business, they turn to Facebook ads because there are billions of people using the platform every day ready to buy something, and because they hear about other businesses getting results like these. 5,813 leads in just 30 days, over $32,000 in sales in just 30 days, or even $391,000 in just 30 days. The problem, though, is that a lot of business owners sink some money into Facebook ads and then they're at a loss of what to do. But there is a reason that they're not seeing those kinds of results, and therefore there's a solution. The reason is because a lot of business owners are solely focused on the very first piece of the buyer's journey. They're focused on making the greatest Facebook ad in the world, getting as many clicks as possible, and then they're just sitting there, hoping that all of those clicks turn into purchases and leads. But your Facebook ad is just the first step of many when it comes to securing profitable results from Facebook. When you put all these steps together, it's called a funnel because you're funneling people from stranger to customer. So today I'm sharing how to build a Facebook funnel from scratch for beginners based on what we've seen work from helping thousands of small businesses grow. And in case you don't know, I'm Brandy with Life Marketing, the digital marketing agency that's generated over $272 million in revenue for small businesses using Facebook ads alone. All right, so let's start with an overview of what your Facebook funnel will look like. And then once we have a grasp on that, I will show you how to actually implement it in real life. For businesses that collect leads and or sell products at a higher price point, the overall funnel is going to look like this. You're going to put Facebook Messenger ads in front of your target audience. You're then going to run Messenger automations that nurture them and answer any questions they have so that you're attentive to potential customers without manually sending each individual message yourself. Then you're going to send the traffic from those message chats to a specific kind of landing page, which we'll talk more about in a minute, and then you'll convert them from there. Now, for e-commerce store owners watching, or for those whose products or services are at a lower price point, you can probably skip some of these steps and run a sales campaign that just directs people straight to your lead form or to your product page instead of Messenger and track direct conversions from there. But for everyone who needs to nurture and or qualify their customers a little more, you'll want to start with a sales campaign that directs people to Messenger because that's what we've seen work best. So let's look at how to set up this first part of your Facebook funnel. You'll go to Ads Manager, click the Campaigns tab and click New, then select the Sales Campaign, select Manual Sales Campaign because we want to be able to set things up the way that we want to, not the default way that Facebook wants to. Then on the campaign screen, name the campaign something you'll recognize and fill out the rest of the prompts here based on your business's specificities and preferences. Then click Next to get to the ad set level. Now here under where it says conversion, you'll want to select message destinations. This means when someone clicks on your ad, they will be sent to Facebook Messenger. Again, if you're an e-commerce store owner or sell things at a lower price point, you'll probably want to select website here. But for everyone else, click message destinations and then fill out the rest of the ad set level as you normally would, selecting your target market, your budget, and your placements. Then click Next to get to the final screen, the ad level. You can set up whatever ad creative and caption you want, but if we scroll down, I want to focus on the message template section. Select Start Conversation and hit the Edit pencil. Here you can create the message that will automatically be sent to everyone who clicks on this ad. And as you can see, you can set it up so that it dynamically addresses each person by their name. So they click on your ad, they're taken to Messenger and see this message. Decide what you want that message to be here, and then give them a list of options they can choose from to reply with. These are typically your most frequently asked questions. So perhaps if you promised a lead magnet in the ad, one of the options can be to download my lead magnet. Or if you get asked what your prices are all the time, you can put that as a question here. What is your pricing? And then you can enter in what the automated responses for each question here with attachments as well if necessary. So they select a response from a menu of options preset by you, and then whichever one they choose is also met with a response preset by you. You set this up one time and it sends all of this every time after on your behalf based on the conditions that you've set here. Once you've got everything set up the way you want it, you can hit save and then publish. But this is not where the automations end. If you've watched our channel for a while, you know that statistically people on average need to have 7 or more touch points with your business before they feel comfortable and confident enough to buy from you. And the higher your price point, the more that tends to be true. So while Facebook takes care of this initial interaction, You want to set up more messenger automations to further establish brand trust and nurture them into a sale. There's one program that we use to do this for all of our clients these days. It's called Marketing Tank. Marketing Tank is an all-in-one customer acquisition system that we use for ourselves and, like I said, for our clients to drive results like the ones you saw at the beginning of this video. You can check it out in a free trial if you want. Link will be down below. But let me show you how we use it to continue messenger automations. Once you're logged in, you'll come down here to automation and then hit new workflow. You can either select from one of our templates or a template you've already set up before, or you can do like what I'm going to do for the sake of this tutorial and start from scratch. Now, the general premise of an automation is that something happens to start the automation. This is called a trigger, and then you set up what you want to happen every time that trigger happens. In this case, you can either automate messages when someone fills out your Facebook lead form or when they comment on a post. I'm just going to pick one for the sake of showing you how to select a trigger, but you'll want to select the one that makes the most sense for you based on the campaigns that you're running. If you're running a Facebook lead campaign and capturing leads via a Facebook lead form, then you can select this one as your trigger and send them follow-up messages to get them to take the next step in your funnel. Or alternatively, if you have a post saying comment XYZ for your free whatever your lead magnet is, insert that there, like free training, free ebook, etc. Then you can set it up here so that it's automatically messaged to them when they comment that keyword. So to look at an aerial view of the customer journey so far, we have someone clicking on your ad, being taken to Facebook Messenger where they're given the menu of options to choose from that you set up in Ads Manager, and they're either filling out the lead form on your landing page linked there or not. You can then boost posts to segmented groups of people with the engagement campaign on Facebook and give people who did fill out the lead form the next call to action, which would either be to fill out your application or survey if you want to ask more qualifying questions, or to schedule a call with you. So when each group comments their corresponding keywords on their corresponding Facebook posts, you can set up the automation here to Facebook message them a link to whatever it is that they need. Your landing page with the opt-in form and lead magnet, or your calendar page. And speaking of landing page, I know I said earlier that there's a specific type of landing page you want to send leads to, and that's something that Marketing Tank can help you tackle as well in just a few easy clicks. We have hundreds of high converting landing page templates here, so all you have to do is select the template and edit it to reflect your branding and offerings, and then send people the link to it in your automated messages to start capturing leads there. Again, anybody with zero website experience can make a landing page with Marketing Tank's easy drag and drop user-friendly functions. Now, there is a very specific type of lead magnet that we've seen work best for businesses looking to capture high-value leads, but that starts moving into the rest of our funnel here, which goes beyond your Facebook funnel. So comment yes sales funnel if you want to see a part 2 on this to get a full breakdown of our go-to bulletproof sales funnel that we use to capture and close qualified leads for our clients by the thousands.